Hi everybody, Tim Bartz here, your Ford video guy for your Ford news update and information, including your Bronco information on a Wednesday for our Built Wild Wednesday video series. And we have plenty of Bronco and Bronco sports to talk about. And if you guys have followed us in the past, you know that we did have a hail sale and hail damage. Last month, we sold about all of our Bronco and Bronco sports. Well, actually, we still have a couple of Bronco sports left, by the way. But since then, we've come out and kind of talked about also some of our factory fresh units that have now arrived. And I'm going to highlight and show you some of the things that have arrived since our hail. And so these are factory fresh in the sense that they do not have any hail damage on them. And you're going to get A-plan pricing. Actually, some of these are even, I think on all of our Broncos, we are at A-plan pricing as well. So let's check out some of the things that we have in stock. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our videos. And as you saw in the thumbnail, we got a lot of cool Broncos here that have arrived just in the last week. All right, so we do have about 3 hail units that are available still on our lot. And actually, one of them actually was on a test drive, so it might even be sold today. We have one Heritage Edition in red that does have hail damage. We have one Big Ben. Let's see if I can find it. That one I don't see out here either. And we have one of our nightshades. This in here, right here, I believe. Yes, this is one of them. So this in here does have hail. So we do have where we are well below the employee price. You can see MSRP of $55,265. Employee pricing is $52,301. And you can get this at the fixed price of $48,801. And this shouldn't have an unrepaired price because we did fix almost all the hail. This hood has one ding on it we need to get out, but otherwise it has been fixed, so no damage there. So we do have, again, a couple others that are priced like that, but all the rest of these are priced for A-plan pricing. And we do have pretty cool little pink Bronco here, our Pink Pony Club, right? This is our first one for this year and is based on a white Bronco base model. You can see the white down at the bottom and the rocker there. And this year it's a little sparkly color to it. It's got some sparkle in it and looks pretty special. So, and that is an X-Bell on there, it's not necessarily a wrap. And then leather interior. We'll do a dedicated video on that here maybe next week on that pink Bronco. But we got some other cool ones. We got a couple of the Velocity Blue Heritage Editions like that. I'm a huge fan of this one here. Some of these Heritage Editions have the 2.7 liter engine, and some of them have the 2.3 liter with a manual, I think, or maybe not a manual, maybe automatic. No, the blue one down there I think is manual. Maybe it's this one. Let me look. We got to look. This one's the manual right here. So this is a manual transmission, 2.3 liter, and then the other blue one down there I think is a 2.7. Also, we have a lot of Avalanche. We have 4 Avalanches, and this video was going to be dedicated to just all of our Avalanche Broncos, but here's an Avalanche Heritage Edition right here. So there you go. I like it with this. The white, the Heritage Edition, the white stripe, and the white with the Avalanche color really looks special right here. We have that Heritage Edition in black as well. We do have several Outer Banks that showed up, including a Desert Sand and an Avalanche. Avalanche is a new color for 26. Has been out for a little while now. Been arriving at dealers since probably March. So it's not really new, but ours are starting to finally trickle in. So we do have a Outer Banks there. Again, that Velocity Blue Heritage Edition. You can see how much that sits up over the base Outer Banks there, and that one is an automatic. We do have a Badlands Edition that I really want to talk about here, and this in here is in the Avalanche color. It's a 2-door Badlands 2.3 liter manual transmission, Sasquatch. You'll see that Sasquatch wheels, 35-inch tires. Also has a Haas 3.0 suspension on it. So the only thing it's missing is a black appearance package, and it'd be a 2-door Wildtrak, right? Well, minus the engine, right? Anyway, can't do anything about that. We do have another red Outer Banks, a white Outer Banks. Here is one of our other hill units right here. So this is a Big Ben, and this has been repaired. You can see no damage to the hood anymore, so this has been repaired. So it is $45,593 repaired, and yeah, that looks great. That is a great buy on that. So well below A-plan pricing. And then we have an Avalanche Bronco Raptor as well. How do you guys look like that one? I think that looks really awesome as well. So some great units. Like I said, we got some factory fresh units that just arrived. You know, if you looked at our lot last week, you wouldn't see most of these. You know, that Bronco Raptor came in this week. This white one, the Desert Sand Bronco Sport, I think even this one came in this week. We know this base the Badlands two-door came in this week. I think these here came in right when I was on vacation, but we had the other Avalanche Heritage Edition come in. Pink Bronco just became available late last week. So some pretty nice units here available for the Bronco to save a lot of money right here. And don't forget, not only do you get A-plan pricing on these Broncos, but we're going to also pay for up to $1,000 of your travel expenses to go to Bronco Off-Roadeo. So you got to pay for your way to get into Bronco Off-Roadeo. That's on you. There's a deposit they require. Sometimes it's $200. You get like $150 of it back once you arrive. But we want to pay for expenses. That means flights, hotels, if you're driving there, your gas receipts. So give us those receipts and we reimburse you back up to $1,000 of those expenses. So that is something else that we include on all of our Broncos, even at the A-plan employee pricing as well. So yeah, we're real excited. It's been last month was a great Bronco month. Sold most of our Hill units. Just have a few left. Bronco Sport, check these out. These all are Hail units. Actually, one of them actually wasn't on the lot at the time, I think. I think it's that white one there. But these here are available. So this is one that's been repaired. 26, actually has not been fixed yet. Still is waiting on the hood to come in. So some of these are waiting on hoods to arrive, but we've, looks like got most of the ones off the, well, they got a few more on the roof up there, so maybe that is not fixed. So you can still buy it for $26,800 unrepaired if you want, or $29,800 fixed if you like that. We have this one over here that was not on our lot. It was technically in our inventory when hail came through, but it was not on our lot, so it does not have hail damage. It was actually in our rental fleet and just came out of rental fleet there, and so it's going to have, we're going to be well below A-plan pricing on that one as well, if you check that one out. And then we have this red one over here. Also, I don't believe was on our lot. Doesn't have any hail damage on it, so I believe that was on our lot either. I think that was in our rental fleet too. So only a couple Bronco Sports available, but again, just like with these, if you purchase one of these, we'll pay for your expenses up to $1,000 to go to Bronco Off-Roadeo as well on a Bronco Sport. So that's what you have for this week. Some nice factory fresh Broncos available. And don't forget, we can take your orders as well. Of course, anything that you order right now until like July 5th, you can lock in that employee pricing for us. So if you want something configured, you're like, well, Tim, I like your inventory, but I want this. I want a Big Ben, or I want a base or something like that, or I want a Black Diamond off-road package, right? You want something like that. We can custom order that vehicle for you and lock in that employee pricing for you. So you're going to get that even if it comes in after, which it will, after the employee pricing is over, it gets locked in as long as we get that ordered by July 5th. And we pay that $1,000 for Bronco Off-Roadeo as well on top of that. So keep that in mind. If you're wanting to do that, we do have some allocations available, some scheduling that can still be done this month. So we can lock that in. So, and even if it doesn't get scheduled this month, as long as that order is in, it gets scheduled next month, it still gets that employee pricing. It doesn't have to get scheduled for production date this month. It just has to be ordered within this month. Something to think about right there. So that's all I have for this week. Hope you guys are having a great Bronco week. And still yet, if you do want to hear some of the adventures that we went on, we went to Moab when I was on vacation. We did a live stream last Tuesday, so check out that live stream. I'll try to link it at the end of this as a recommended video for you, but check that video out. We did talk a little bit about off-roading in the national parks, as well as some other different fun things. We did do top of the world in our Bronco, Big Ben with a rear locker. It is upgraded suspension and 35-inch tires, but still, just a rear locker. We didn't need that front locker. So there's a lot you can do with just a rear locker, which is why I think it is so important that Ford brings back that you can add just a rear locker as a standalone option instead of having to go to a package that's bundled in instead. So there's a lot of fun you can have with just adding that rear locker. So anyway, that's all I have for this week. Hope you guys are having a great week. And until the next one, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.